Yeah,
teaching part?
I'm an anchor by profession. I
Anchor.
host, yes.
Great, great.
I'm not a news anchor at all. I don't like talking about news. I am a live host. I
Okay.
host live shows. No, I don't.
Am I
Hi, how are
visible as
you?
well? Hi,
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
good.
you
How are
are.
you?
I'm good. How's your Sunday going?
My Sunday is going pretty well.
I really like your
What about?
t-shirt, huh?
Thank you so much. What about you? How is your Sunday going on?
It's going fine. I mean, I'm working, so
Okay. So, how many classes have you done?
I've just started. I have classes till 12 o'clock at night, so yeah.
Oh my God. So you take back-to-back classes?
No, so yeah, I'm in most of them, but I have breaks in between.
Okay.
So going to work
Okay.
for me. Where are you from?
I'm from Agra. What about you?
Oh, acha, I just saw that you're from Ghaziabad.
No, no, I'm not from Ghaziabad. Yeah, but I have been living in Noida since
Acha.
2009. So I have been working in Delhi.
So you are
So yeah.
still living in Ghaziabad or Delhi, or are you in Agra itself?
No, no. In these days, I am in Agra. So work from home is going on. So that's why
Acha.
I'm in Agra.
And what do you work for?
I work for a media house. So
Yeah. Which media house? Okay. And do you like write for them, or like which field are you from?
no, no. I take care the programming part.
Okay. So when anything is going up on the TV and
Exactly, exactly.
huh?
You got that point. Yeah.
Cool. Okay. Let's move on to some practices, Praveen. Okay. And the very first thing we're going to do is going to be a fluency and pronunciation practice. So I'll
Okay.
give you some tongue twisters on the chat box, and they'll be one
Okay.
by one. So you have to like read one tongue twister two times, and then I'll give you
Okay.
another one. Okay.
Right.
You open your chat box. I'll paste the tongue twisters.
So in meanwhile, could I know what do you do except
I
that
am, yeah,
teaching part?
I'm an anchor by profession. I
Anchor.
host, yes.
Great, great.
I'm not a news anchor at all. I don't like talking about news. I am a live host. I
Okay.
host live shows, corporate events, product launches, promotions.
Okay, great. It's
Um,
also
I
interesting.
was working with India News for some project last year. News India
Okay.
or India News, I don't remember. It was an education based project. Yeah,
Okay.
I mean,
Okay.
I mostly do live shows and
Okay. So you are based on Delhi or what?
I'm based in Delhi.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Cool. So I have pasted the tongue twister on the chat box. You can start
Let
and then
let
I'll
me.
give you the another one.
Oh my God. What is this?
Oh, this is an easy one, by the way. I mean,
Patter, Pipper or Piper?
okay, I'll read it for you once and then you can read,
Okay.
okay?
Okay.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. Did Peter did Peter Piper pick a peck of pickled peppers?
Okay. So should I read this or
Read it two times without stopping.
okay? Patter, Peter Piper picked a pack of
Peter
pickled.
Piper.
Pe- Peter
Peter
Piper. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled pepper. Did Peter Piper pick a pack of pickled pepper? Peter Peter Piper Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled pepper. Did Piper pick a pack of pickled pepper?
did you go through the document?
Not yet.
Okay, so when were you supposed to go through it?
Actually, I was going to go through that documents, but I got some important work from my office, so
No issue.
that's why I
Let's
didn't
do a
have.
small vocabulary practice for another 2 minutes and then we'll move on to the questions. Okay.
Oh,
Uh,
okay.
the it's very simple. This is something we used to do in school. I'll give you a
Mm-hmm.
word and then
Okay.
you make some sentences from that word. You know, in school we used to get this like make 5 sentences or make 10
Okay.
sentences from
Right. Right.
some
Right.
vakya banao. This is something our Hindi teacher used to
Yeah.
give us a lot. Okay, so the
Yeah.
practice is vakya banao. So the very first word is significant. Significant is something that's very important or very noticeable.
Right, right. So if I make a sentence through significant, so I can say if you want to be fluent in English, so I think a grammar is not a very much significant, don't play a very significant role in speaking. Is it right?
The sentence is right. The fact is somewhat right. When you say that
Yeah,
grammar plays a role, I mean, you need to go through the basic rules. You know, I always tell my
uh,
learners that listen, you don't need to be like grammar is like the only thing that can make you learn English.
yeah,
No,
exactly.
so that's perfectly right. But yeah, you need to learn some basic rules, right? For example, like
Yeah,
tenses or
tense
something. And how
yeah,
do you form a
article.
sentence? You can't
Article
be
is
like,
important.
yeah, not even article, like how to form a sentence. For example, the sentence is
Exactly.
I am going. If I say going, am
Uh,
I, the a
right,
person
right,
is, you're just saying words. The I
right.
going.
So,
So this
so the
is something
placement
how
should be
kids
right.
speak. Yes.
Placement should be right.
Yeah, the placement should be right. The forms should be right of the verbs and helping verbs and pronouns so that other person can
Yes.
understand the meaning.
But the native don't use the grammar. So how they
See, I'll
become
tell you
fluent?
one thing. Natives use the grammar. It's not like
They use the
natives
grammar,
don't
but they
use the
don't
grammar.
read the grammar. Yeah.
Yeah, because even in Hindi, if we talk about our mother tongue, okay,
Right.
no one makes us sit down and teach grammar. But in Hindi, we
Exactly.
use grammar, right? We
Yes.
we are not aware of it. We have
Yes.
no
Yes.
idea uh, कि
What is?
क्रिया क्या है या
Yeah.
and whatever. I mean, I don't even remember the words, but
Right.
we still use it. It's because we learned language by listening to others. And that is
Yes.
what we are doing right now at Clipping Go. We
Listening
are
and
learning
imitating.
English with conversational skills. That's how you
Yes.
actually, that's the basic way to learn a language. That's why if you go to a foreign country and you live there, you will learn that language. If you think about people living from North India and they'll go to Bombay or some other Maharashtrian state, they will learn how to speak Marathi. I
Right.
was there in, Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Right.
Yeah, they used to speak that Telugu there. There was a particular city, and we started, catching some words by listening to others. So,
Yeah. The
and that's how
more
you
you
learn.
spent, yeah, the more time you spend, you
Yes.
obviously know some words actually.
Yeah, it's not like those people are teaching you grammar. The
Right.
basic example is, how a child learns a language. When we are kids, no one makes us sit down and learn a language or learn the grammar. We just listen others and we learn it. So yes, I won't say that grammar is everything, but somewhere or the other, nowadays English is a skill. We are learning it not only for our personal life but also for our professional life. 10 years
Oh,
back we used to learn computer
right.
classes hai, उस
Yeah,
पे
yeah.
जाना है. Nowadays kids don't go to
Now
computer class.
children started working. I think on
Yeah,
second year child is working on the computer.
I mean, kids are born and they have mobile phones in their hands.
Yeah, yeah,
I'm like, there
exactly.
will be days when kids will be born with mobile phones. I was like,
Yes.
another gift from God. You have a mobile phone with your kid. I mean, literally, that's how active and that's how intelligent the kids are nowadays.
Yeah,
So,
my daughter is 2 year old only, and she
okay.
plays the puzzle on mobile.
See,
She
and
fit
when we were
the
2 years,
rectangle and circles and all.
we were like on the floor scrolling when we were 2 years.
Yeah.
That's all we used to do. So, I mean, yeah, kids are intelligent, but I also tell this to other parents that when you have kids around in the house and if you start talking to them in English now, they will
They
learn that
observe.
language.
Yeah,
They
exactly.
will. I've seen, so many high class families and when the kids are going in the school and teachers are talking in English, then parents also talk in
Exactly.
that language. And those
Yeah.
kids are so fluent in English.
I think
I
the
mean,
third year child, I think at the age of 3, they speak fluently in English.
yeah, kids do. It's because they are in that environment, right? When we were
Yeah.
3 years, we were also speaking Hindi because we were in that environment.
Their nanny
And
also speak in English with them.
So, I mean, it depends where you live and who you're talking to. But again, when it comes to grammar, if you have to write a mail, you can't tell your boss, let listen,
Right, exactly,
I'm not
exactly.
right. I do not know the grammar.
I
You
don't follow the
have to.
grammar.
Yeah. I'm like, I just write. You
I
have
just
no
write
idea where the
whatever I come
words,
into my
yeah,
mind.
whatever comes to my mind. Think about if you're just writing a mail and you have to pitch it to a client, you'll just say project, price, give us 2 crores. It will take 15 days. Not even full sentence. It take 15 days. You're not going to work with
Okay.
that, right?
So
So
what do
the
you suggest
idea is,
for someone who's learning a secondary language as English? So my native is Hindi, like.
even my native language is Hindi, but I'm much more comfortable in English and I'm much more fluent in English than Hindi.
Right.
Sometimes I feel like I don't remember Hindi a lot and I feel
Okay.
bad about it. So
So you did your schooling with convent, right?
nothing like that. I mean, I even everyone around me was speaking in Hindi. After
Okay. At
school,
your home as well.
when I started work, even in Hindi.
Okay.
So when I started working, I was in an environment where I was supposed to, I knew English, but I just didn't have a lot of people around me to talk to. And when I
Yeah.
started working, I had a lot of people. And I had to brush up my communication skills because of my profession. As an anchor, I was
Yeah.
supposed to be good in English. And now there are places when clients are asking me, do you know how to speak Hindi? I'm like, yeah, I can.
Yeah.
I mean, I can try. That's what I tell them. Honestly, I mean,
Okay.
Hindi news is something I can't read.
So they think that your native language is English and Hindi is your secondary language.
Very recently, I went for an interview, and Acha Praveen, the session is going to get over. So I'll just,
Okay. No issue.
get on to the feedback. So
Okay.
when you talk about that, an advice for a person whose English is using as a second language, start
Yeah.
reading a lot of content. It's as simple as if you're working out and you eat
Okay.
healthy, that will show on your skin, that will show on your body. Anything
Yeah.
works like that. You put in good content will come out.
The
Start
output
reading a lot.
would be good.
Yeah. So start reading, start watching whatever you watch, try watching it in English. Why I'm
Right.
saying that, that will process your mind in understanding English as English. You're not converting Hindi into English, you're not converting English into Hindi.